What's up, guys? KawasakiBrad here. Yeah, I know it's been a while, but since we're all locked down to COVID-19, I guess now's as good a time as any for a new video. I have a new Tamiz ZX6. I'm going to be doing a fair bit to it here, get it ready for track season, which is basically just around the corner about a month from now. One of the first things I'm going to do to kind of change the look of the bike is one of the cheapest, fastest, easiest things you can do. I do it to all of my bikes anyways. Get rid of these big orange ugly ass lollipop reflectors. And yeah, it's fairly simple. Let's get to it. So as you can see, it's not really a big deal to do, but it drastically changes the look, especially if you're one of those people that notices all the little details. Still safety conscious, still probably not going to get a ticket for it if you have one of those types of areas where they like to give you tickets for no reflectors. I know we do here in Edmonton. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you had any trouble. Let me know if there's anything I should add. And in the meantime, go out and ride it like you're sponsored.